bịakwanu ka unu nụrụ reason ife Ijele kwuru batala o ji wee kpọrọ ndị ọrụ agha wee bata n'Owere. Hey, ọ sịkwa nọọ maka pensụl ndị otu Gentle the Yahoo na onye nke a na-akpọ Nonso Nkwa unu ya abịakwa ka unu were ntị unu nụrụ na akụkọ nke a ọ gbakwochu.
So when I'm telling you guys, I'm coming for pencil. I'm live in Owerri. So when I told them that we are coming to do it straight, Fesi, now one naka, Fesi, Umunoha, Shebi una say they lie about land abi, we go know who they lie about that land. You see that land matter? Now I come for. Those of you from Orsu, nobody should bother yourselves. The operation is Umunoha. Those vehicles is just for the clearance of those mines. How many people have they bad with their IEDs since January? So that's what those vehicles are for. Disregard that guy you people call Cash and he nonsense he's saying. Trying to put panic in his community. What do you gain by spreading panic in your community? What do you gain by spreading panic in your community? Me, I mean, no worry. I know the day far they talk my own. Would they go Munoha? Don't go see me for Munoha. Don't be go come. I don't worry like this. Now the angel be this now. Who knows here? Now the angel be this. And for that's how they do the video, but now because of this thing, noise too much there. If not, I go there. I don't worry like this. If I tell you say you go happen. So you people think you can steal people's land? Don't worry, you will soon explain yourselves. All of you. You go there, my front to the top. You see that you say they go enter. If they see us there, also people I bet more than no worry on ourselves. Nothing they happen for us. All those things not to clear those mines, those IEDs. They are there to clear the IEDs. Don't buy that nonsense they are writing for you people. I don't know where they're getting their nonsense information from. Somebody that is not in Imo State. The operation that is happening is Umunoha. Nonso Nkwa, you know why you're panicking? You and your eye pencil. You and your eye pencil. Kakwa go there once. Onye boss on near. Kakwa ya once. Do you can ndosage. I couldn't chore it trigger. Check out my trigger now. I don't worry like this. You know, tell you that land matter be. You go here when. You go here when I go deal with you. She said, I mean, they carry all this in a nonsense going for. See, you are your guys. May everybody clear road. Like, thunder go fire people, mama. That's the way when they find. When go see them. Utobo, I dare outside that now the angel I dare like this. Come here, make you die immediately. If you don't die this night, see am. Now angel be this. Noise there outside. I know if they do video for outside, noise there. Please, those of you in Orsu, don't go and start developing high BP. There is nobody coming to attack or do anything in Orsu or Udeke Valley. That one is not operation that they just do any day. Okay? If you are from Umunoha, tell your people, Akwe Frija, Ofronanya man nakwya, onye no na nanti na agbakwa. Isi ni chọrọ efukwa. Icho asị gịnị? Ofronanya man nija, onuru nanti na agba, na mmiri a ya bụ mmiri ndị Owere. Ya kwa n'Owere ka a na-ere mmiri a na ya. Ọrụ ndị Owere nwe mmiri a maka ndị na-asị gị AI ikpu nnunu die. Thunder ga-agbagbu ikpu nne ndị mmadụ ga-agbatu ba ntaya this time around. Akwa Umunoha asị na ana-ada aba. Okorugo nke iwere anụ obodo. Nke individual ezughọrọ unu. Nonso Nkwa isi na gịnị mere isi n'ikpu nne gị mere gịnị? Anụ mpama. Ị ga-emecha bịa kọwa ebe. You will come and explain where I was an IPOB member, let alone embezzling IPOB money. Just wait. You see that land matter? I dey come look the land myself. I go tape am, I go measure am. You see that document of that land, that Supreme Court judgment, I must live with it. I will leave Umunoha with that document, that land document. I pencil, Tiniru, Doniru. Yeah, if thunder anybody. A J person go collect. You are like your full village. I never hear waiting what happened before. For that woman, I think I get it when the money there. I do come ready for no. Also to go well. Here who know since from the politician to everybody. As me buy ni jaja. Na ko heri. Please, those of you in Orsu, relax yourself. Nothing is happening in Orsu. Those vehicles are there. Those are not ammo tanks. Don't you know how an ammo tank looks like? Okay, even the bingos. Oh, even the bingos. Hey, I go delete instead of blocking. Even the bingos where they see like this. Tell them make this video that thing where they call ammo tank for you. Nasa ammo tank they umutobu umite when nke gara school. Ndo too gentle and makeup. Chopper meno no negwa high. You know tell us. You know tell again. Don't worry. Kaiji go do umuno hanya example. Umuno hagwa munu. No for n'anya man nija onu na ntị na-agba. Nonso Nkwa chere m ịpụkwara n'ụmụnọ ha ahụ isi na-declare nne gị ka ọ nna gị. Enwere onye si gị na ọ na even my village this night. This night na kpọkụ ya amụọ gị. Ọ bụrụ na agba ndị nke furu m n'airport afọ a lọka ọ ka apụta na-ekwu ya n'ọnụ. Get call the airport. Nke ahụ efuru bụ play ya mbuto ihe ga-eme gị. Ụmụnọ ha we are coming. Umunoha, we are coming. That land abi, you say make I give you evidence. No, I dey come show you the people who get the land. Umunoha, kill ya from ebe ahụ. Umwewu. Kill ya kwa anu from there. Akwa unu sinu nchori no, don't worry, ka agba ya agba. Those of you in Orsu don't, like I said, disregard all those nonsense. You know why I'm telling you people? Because I want everybody to have everything that's going to happen on camera. Umunoha, please set cameras everywhere in your community, please. Set camera. Now let us see who will be afraid of cameras in the Umunoha. Because our cause is right. We want everything on video. We want everything on video. Make we see the kind people will go fall and make the person come tell us say this one an innocent person. Ndoshi. Because they use Nonso Nkwa. They distract honor. They commit evil. Now they want thief people land. They want thief people land. Ndoshi. Now want thief people land. You say me I dey lie about that land. I say I dey come to measure them. I go measure them. Can't go ya na awu na anya. Umutobo. Very set of people. Also people sleep very well. Ask anybody, say may they show you where anything happened for us. Even this night, tomorrow morning, people from Orsu, ask yourself, go and check in the morning, please. People do video in Orsu in the morning. Do video for Orsu tomorrow morning. Show us where waiting they happen for Dekevan. Show us any video tomorrow morning where they write fake news for now the people there social media want to grow their page. We go soon know who then they work for. Why would you send people into panic? Why do you want to panic people? Also, please, from January till now, how many times did IED buy people? The vehicles you are seeing are for the clearance of the IED. Everybody sleep well in your house. Sleep. Tomorrow morning, please, if I lie, all of you unfollow me from this page. If tomorrow morning you hear anything, PM and also unfollow me from this page. I don't understand. Oh, come on, nothing will happen. When operation reach, now I go call you this one. This one, no. Just the land. We want to go do this thing. Why I'm saying this is because Umuoshi will go and start buying people in Umunoha to cover for the lies they are lying over the land. Nonso Nkwa, I'm not saying that I person I go send you to come they do this nonsense video. I person une just na une season na ako we na ako eri ya na ako eri. Puta na puta ka akwa ya. I don't know whether ya no abu the angel or boy neighbor no. Ya abu the angel. The angel went on the motor because of noise the outside. Noise the outside. So don't you guys hit the like button and share this video, please. I want them to see very well. Like my wagi kanchi, wagi chaka chaka. I'm calling a video. Kafu konyo sheme. Tinye no camera everywhere. Don't miss this action. Don't mix this action. Tinye camera ni hu begi. I want you all to put cameras everywhere. Mori amigwe. Put cameras there. Atom ka akwa ya ka onye ọbụla afụ ka esi eme ya. Asị gị na ọfụrụ n'anya anaghị ije a. Ịnụ na ntị na-agba. Isi na ọka ịfụ ị ga-afụkwa ya. You go see am. Ichoni ya na na anybody ọsọrọ ya bụrụ. I don't care the politician if he na ịma. Nsị gị mma na-record ihe niile on video. Onye nwa bezie bịa kwụ eri ihe. Ụmụnọha bi ka tọnda agbagbugo unu. We must enter that camp. We go enter that camp. Agunu sinu chọrọ igbo egbe. Ka afizie ndị ji ọnụ agba egbe na ndị ji aka akpatiriga. Ka afu ndị ji aka akpọ ụbọ. Akwụsị n'ime eme. Ukwu na-afịa ogodo na-afịa. Ukwu na-afịa ogodo na-afịa. Anybody can get it. Gentle B44 Butus achọkwa m ime onye ebo. Tinye iru dị ake donye iru ka efia. Ana ha ga-emeshọrọ ire ana. You said I'm lying over the land? That you people are not trying to steal this land? Nonso Nkwa thunder fire you. Idiot. You say who? You will come your radio station, you will run. Say who they pay me to come radio. So somebody need to pay me to come talk the truth about what thing that happened for my state. Thunder fire all of honor. Not me come over like this. So to you, that's there stealing from people. Onyuoshi, waiting to pursue you for your boarding school where you did before. Onyuoshi. Na bizarre election. They try back and Imo State that we go. Oh, that's why you've been trumpeting for them, thinking you can use it to get to power. Deputy Governor Liviabi. Hey, because even generals where they our area, they just keep quiet for now. Thunder babugunu. Kaigo sizunu kai keme. Iyahu nu choro. If otobni shicho hot or cold, ige with ya. Asimunu tinu camera everywhere. Put camera everywhere no more so you don't miss the action. Pay-per-view, but this one are free to view. And also, I said the lie about that land, Abi. Don't worry, I've come to measure that land myself. He said that they pursue you for Imo State. They crazy. They pursue your mama. Because people live on her. Because this one now, I don't know if they have planning an attack in Orsu. So they will say it's army. Please, in Orsu, I heard they kidnapped one man this evening. Yesterday. They're telling you that Orsu have armor tank. So ask them, where was that armor tank where they kidnapped that man? Marcel Ogunda, if na armor tank they there, why they kidnap Marcel Ogunda for Orsu today? Like I said, check if there is any attack you hear in Orsu tomorrow morning. And somebody is posting nonsense news. At Orsu, on fire. You and who put fire in Orsu? Cash, you and who put fire in Orsu? You are saying to Udeke Valley. How? Where? Did anybody put fire in Udeke Valley? When I say armor tank, so armor tank go park for Orsu, then go kidnap somebody, Marcel Ogunda. Then kidnap Marcel Ogunda today. Now people will not say then they fight for freedom for now. Marcel Ogunda is in their custody. Ask those of you from Orsu, go and check this news. Those of you from Orsu, go and check this news. So if there is any fire in Orsu, who kidnapped Marcel Ogunda? Don't mind them. Orsu people sleep very well. Nobody is touching you. Then I want to announce this one because you know say the sabi go carry attack, say na police. Oh na me I do with it like this. We want go measure that land. That land where Nonso Nkwa say na lies, they are the lie. I go there do video. I go measure them. Now I pencil them get the camp where they there. We go even go show now all the places where they bury people. They say me are the lie. Don't worry, we go see. Asking na ofronanya man nakwa onuruna ntibawa. Nobody. If we are not man. So my people, thank you so much. Let's see tomorrow morning if there is any attack you hear in Orsu. If you hear any attack, don't count me as a human being again.